Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're showcasing the top 5 best rain barrels to buy this year. Stay tuned as we guide you through each model's features and benefits. Let's get started. RTS Companies Inc. Eco Rain Barrel. The RTS Companies Inc. Eco Rain Barrel is a 50-gallon rainwater harvesting solution made from 100% recycled plastic. It features a flat-back design for space efficiency, a debris-blocking screen, and a shut-off valve for hose connection. The dual overflow system prevents flooding, and the barrel can be linked with others for increased capacity. Weighing 18 pounds, it is an eco-conscious choice that promotes water conservation and reduces reliance on traditional water sources. This rain barrel provides a sustainable way to collect and utilize rainwater for your lawn and garden, especially during droughts. Good Ideas RW50 OAK Rain Barrel. The Good Ideas RW50 OAK Rain Barrel is an eco-friendly choice for rainwater collection, offering a generous 50-gallon capacity. Made from BPA-free resin, it features a durable brass spigot, an overflow spout, and a built-in screen to filter out debris. Its innovative linkable design allows you to expand its capacity with additional barrels. This rain barrel is highly resistant to rust, mold, and mildew, ensuring long-lasting use. Measuring 22 inches in diameter by 30 inches high and weighing 19 pounds, it is a reliable and sustainable solution for environmentally conscious homeowners, backed by a 1-year limited warranty. FCMP Outdoor Rain Barrel. The FCMP Outdoor Rain Barrel blends functionality with aesthetics, featuring a traditional wooden barrel appearance. Its slimline design and shallow depth allow for easy installation in small spaces, while the flat back ensures a snug fit under downspouts. Constructed from recycled, UV-inhibited, BPA-free polyethylene, it includes a corrosion-resistant screen to keep debris out and a safety rib for child and pet safety. Multiple spigots enable linking for expanded water storage. This barrel includes a debris screen, garden hose, shut-off thumb valve, hanging hose clip, and linking kit, making it a practical and attractive rainwater harvesting solution. Vingli Collapsible Rain Barrel. The Vingli Collapsible Rain Barrel provides an environmentally friendly solution for rainwater harvesting, constructed from durable PVC and PVC mesh fabric for year-round use. It features rubber rings to prevent leakage, a top mesh to keep debris out, and a foldable design for easy storage. Available in capacities of 50 gallons, 66 gallons, and 100 gallons, it helps save on water bills and supports environmental sustainability. This rain barrel's easy assembly and portability make it a practical choice for any garden, ensuring clean water collection without the risk of cracking. Mirainbarrel Food Grade Rain Barrel. The Mirainbarrel Food Grade Rain Barrel recycles plastic barrels, supporting sustainable rainwater collection practices. It includes a new brass spigot, overflow valve, and mesh screen for efficient water flow and debris prevention. The user-friendly downspout adapter simplifies installation, and the use of 100% silicone caulk ensures a leak-free seal. Designed from repurposed barrels previously used for food storage, this rain barrel is a sustainable and eco-conscious choice for gardeners, combining practicality with environmental responsibility. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you find the perfect rain barrel for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you next time.